big carvings, and those mostly are for sale. So you may want to approach the carver himself after this quick carve is done at noon and talk to him about making a deal on one of these big main sculpture pieces. And then again too, if you brought your car or your small pickup truck or your motorcycle and you don't have a way to get it home, I'm sure they'll make arrangements with you to get it delivered to your home.